Namaste everyone. Hope all of you are doing fine in this lockdown period. In the last one we have seen some stretching exercises of touching toe to fingers, and I have come up with the next series. If you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, please do that. Be fit, be healthy and be happy. We do this stretching for relaxation, to be more focused, for improved posture, to prevent injury and for improved circulation. So it's a win-win situation for all. The first exercise, Yogasana, we are starting with Padahastasana. Stretch yourself to Tadasana. Inhale and then while exhaling, move slowly towards your feet. Touch your palm to the feet. It may not be possible at a time, but you can try. Slowly, within few days, you will be able to do that. Parivritta Prasarita Padottanasana. While exhaling, touch the opposite side of the leg with your palm and keep the other palm up. Try to see the other hand which is near the sky. In each position, you can stay for around 5 breaths. You need not repeat these exercises many times, but each position you can hold for around 5 breaths. That will be very useful. Trikonasana. Spread your legs. Keep one foot at 90 degrees, the other one at around 45 degrees. Bend sideways and touch your palm to your feet and look at the other arm which is on the top. The bending has to be done from the sides and not in the front. This is a big stress buster. It reduces fat at the waist and thighs. It also improves body balance. Parshva Konasana. This exercise is very good for inner thigh fat reduction. Bend your thigh in such a way that it is parallel to the ground and knee is at 90 degrees. Bend sideways and place your palm beside your feet, and the other hand should be straight near the ears. So keep your feet, one foot at 90, the other foot at around 45. Bend sideways and rest your palm beside your feet. See that your thigh and the calf muscle makes 90 degree. Look straight and hold that position for around 5 breaths. If you can hold for longer, you can hold up to 10 breaths also. Natarajasana is the next Yogasana. Natarajasana for the Lord Shiva, the Lord of Dance. Hold your ankle and then balancing on one leg, you have to slowly bend, looking straight in the front. This is a little challenge because you have to balance your body on one foot. Try to stretch the body as much as possible towards up. The thigh has to be pulled up. So this is absolutely a very good stretching exercise where the lower abdomen, thigh, ankle and the knee gets stretched. The next exercise all the exercises are lying down, either on the back or on the front posture. Supta Patangushtasana. So this is holding your big toe with your fingers. So this is again a fingers to toes touching stretching exercise. While releasing or while exhaling, climb on your feet and hold your big toe with your hands. Try to come closer to the knee, and if it is not possible you can bend your knee also, but the other leg should be firmly on the ground, should not be lifted. Try to be in the stretched position for as long as possible, as long as you are comfortable. Setu Bandhasana, bridge pose. Keep your legs little apart. Hold the ankle with both hands and lift your hips up. Only the shoulders and the head should be there on the ground, and the other body should be stretched towards the sky. Hold this position for as long as possible, breathing normally. This will strengthen the back, glutes, legs and ankles, and stretches the chest, neck, shoulders and spine. Uttana Padasana is the next toes to fingers stretching exercise. Lift your legs 90 degrees to the ground and hold both fingers, both feet with your fingers. Try to stay in that position. This will give superior relief to the lower back and stretches the calf muscles and the thigh muscles. It also reduces belly fat. Dhanurasana, this is the ultimate stretching pose. It stretches the back, thorax, abdomen and also reduces belly fat. Hold your ankle firmly with knees little apart and lift your upper body and the lower body in such a way that only your stomach is resting on the ground. Hold on this position with normal breathing and release slowly by resting on the ground. All the best, guys.